We are behind on this. Big time.
We are super behind.
Yeah. And it's really no one's fault.
Well, it's our fault.
Well, we've just been super busy. Our daughter, she's about to ship off. So yeah, we've fallen behind. We've been doing so much traveling because of her Navy adventures.
True, true. And not to mention the fact that you're trying to cram everything in to the last few days that you possibly can. So it's like, if she wants to go to this restaurant or if she wants to go to this place, it's pretty much the last time for a long time.
Right.
So anyway, lots going on. But
That's right. Folks, my name is Luke. This is beautiful Susie. This is the Outdoor Gear Review. And today it is time for a viewer mail episode. So to start off here, we have this tiny box, and we will let Susie do the honors.
okay. Do you smell it?
Ah, it smells so good. It smells so good.
So in this box we have a very, very good smelling bag of coffee.
Gosh, I want to eat the whole bag.
And
Eat it, drink it, whatever.
Borealis is the name of the coffee. And it smells really good.
What's the name of this company?
Let's see, the name...
I was going to let you...
pronouncing.
I took a look at the card and I'm like, I think I'll let Susie take this one. Okay.
Kawina. I'm terrible. Kawina. I don't know. It smells great. Thank you for sending this in.
Oh yeah, who does this come from?
Actually, I do not know. All we got was a bag of coffee in the mail.
Right. It doesn't say who it's from. There's no information about who initialized the order. So, with that being said, to the viewer who ordered this coffee for us, thank you so very much.
Yes, thank you.
It smells unbelievable.
Yeah. And we love coffee, and you love coffee, and
Yes.
you're back to drinking coffee like normal, which is awesome. So, I'll have to check back. You know, we could have gotten a message about this, but so much stuff comes in, messages, emails. Sometimes it's hard to keep track of it all, but this is awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, with that being said, we do respond to every single email that we get. We try to respond to, like, the Facebook messages. The best way to contact us is through email. And if for some reason within a week you don't hear from us, I mean, accidents happen, like Susan said, we get so many.
Yeah, sometimes it gets overlooked. You know, things get lost in Facebook, but email, we definitely take a few days every week. We take a look at the emails. We answer every single one. And we do the same for Facebook, but like I said, things pile up, things get lost. So thank you again for the coffee.
Yes.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. Now, this gigantic box is next. And oh boy, am I excited about this. This one comes from Robert, our friend Robert. And this is pretty neat.
It is very neat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
A lot of time, a lot of thought went into this.
definitely. So, Robert is a happy subscriber to the channel. Thank
Hey,
you.
Rob. Thank you so much, buddy.
Dear Luke and Susie, I have just returned from China and wanted to send you some things from there. I always enjoy your reviews and honest opinions on products, and I look forward to seeing more overnight trips and reviews from your channel. I want to just throw in there that if you guys just be patient, there will be tons of more overnight trips coming up.
Yes.
Like we mentioned, it's just a very, very busy time right now, and with a lot of travel going on, it's been hard for Luke to even get 2 days away from the house.
Yeah.
But it's all coming to an end, and we'll be able to get out very frequently.
Very soon, coming up.
Anyway, Robert has sent various coffees, snacks,
Ooh.
and 2 products for you to try.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I really want to go to China. I really want to go to Japan as well. As the kids are getting older, I really do see that coming up. I see that being a possibility.
Yeah, it all seems very real now. It
Mm-hmm.
seems like before, even I would say 3 years ago, you just didn't think that we would go to the places that we've been, and we continue to be able to travel more each year,
Right.
which is really cool. And so now things like going overseas, international, it just seems more real now.
True. I've been thinking about flying to Big Island, Hawaii, and hiking all the way to the top of Mauna Kea.
Yeah,
That would be a hell of a hike. Namely because of the amount of water that you would have to carry with you.
yes, and remember how cold it was?
Yeah.
We were there and we went up to just visit and hike around. And of course, we were freezing up there.
Yeah.
It was so cold.
It was so steep that we just about trashed our rental Jeep. It was overheating so bad.
I know.
I think it was such a hunk of junk.
Oh, it was
Anyways,
crazy.
yeah, to hike to the top, they recommend that you have 8 liters of water.
That is a lot
8
of water.
liters. Each liter weighs 2.2 pounds.
Yeah, a lot of weight.
That's a lot of weight. Anyways, so inside of this box, we have all sorts of goodies.
Here are some jerky chips.
That is crazy looking.
It is. It almost looks like little crackers or something.
Yeah.
Almond flavor. Almond flavored jerky?
It's interesting because it has a little pig on there. That's crazy.
Well, he's cute.
That looks really weird.
Almond jerky.
We will have to try this in just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, so let's pull this out. Ooh,
Ooh.
this is a box of coffee.
In his letter, it says it's a box of special coffee. Believe it or not, it costs about $50. And he uses the tubes that the coffee came in for spices and other things.
Whoa.
That is extremely fancy. Wow, that's
Guys.
really nice.
That's cool. Check this out, guys. That is pretty neat. Yeah, these tubes are awesome.
Wow.
Check that out.
Oh, that's really cool. And look, it's just a little bag. That is really, really
Robert, that is awesome, man.
That is cool.
Yeah. I really like the tubes.
Yeah.
I know somebody else who would too. Dad.
Your dad.
Yeah. He loves stuff like this.
Coffee. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That is sweet.
Sweet, sweet. Crackers.
What type of crackers are they?
Cheese.
Oh, cool.
Cheese crackers. I bet those will be good, actually.
Want to try one?
Do you want to try one?
Let's try one.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Smells very good.
Try.
Those are good. With a soup. Bam. Take it to the next level. Okay, so what we have here is a 3-leg transfer head. Okay, this is like a butane stove of sorts. Yeah, so check that out. That's pretty neat. Yeah, thank you so much, buddy. What is that?
Hello Kitty.
Hello, kitty.
Well, those are adorable. Super, super cute.
Meow.
I think, can I claim these?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, candy. I'll claim them both.
Ah.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really cool.
All sorts of candy.
Hello Kitty candy.
Sweet.
This stuff is really cool. It'd be
What
fun
the-
to try this stuff.
This
What's
one
that?
says egg roll.
It does?
Yeah. Egg rolls. Let's try it.
Let's try that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Some sort of chocolate thing. I don't know. I'll let you go ahead and try that.
You should try it first,
Oh, okay.
just in case. It's weird.
It's good. Really smooth. Yeah, whatever the filling was awesome.
Very good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay, so next up, we have the portable safety LED camp lantern.
Nice. That's cute.
Yeah, so that's really cool. Sweet.
Yeah, that is really cool. Ooh,
looks good.
I see something you're gonna love.
Yeah?
Chai latte.
Oh, snap.
Oh,
Oh, man, I haven't
Oh.
had one of those in a long time.
yeah.
So sweet.
Full of stuff.
Oh, yeah, it's got
I mean,
coffees and all sorts of goodies.
all kinds of stuff.
Okay, so I have no idea. What is that a picture of? Down
Oh
here.
my goodness. In his letter, he said he sent spicy chicken feet. Do you think that could be it?
That might be a chicken foot.
I don't think I can eat chicken feet.
I don't know. It's like looks like a chicken foot playing a saxophone. I kid you not. What do you think that is?
I just.
Do you see the saxophone?
Yeah,
on it? That's awesome.
that is cool.
Yeah, I
Well-
don't know. There's a whole bag full of just like crazy stuff in
You
here.
can try that.
Hell, why not?
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Is it?
I don't know. I'm not sure what we're looking at.
People actually eat that?
Yeah, let's see. Come on, camera. There you go. I'm not sure what I'm about to stick in my mouth. I have no idea if that's a foot, but it's good. It's got a good flavor to it.
I'll take your word for it.
Yeah,
Do you think that's really
Cheers.
like a foot?
that was freaking awesome.
You just ate a foot.
And I have its blood all over me.
I'll just get you to try all this stuff. I think that is a soy sauce egg
Oh, cool.
that goes along with your chicken foot.
Oh, that's weird. Neat. This might be a chicken foot, actually.
Maybe what you're eating was beef jerky then.
Yeah.
That's chicken foot?
I think this feels like bone in there. Cool.
What's juju? Jujube.
I
I
don't
don't
know.
know what this is. Crackers,
Sweet.
another egg, and sesame compressed biscuits.
Okay.
Do you think that's like just beef jerky?
You think it's beef jerky playing a saxophone? Look, I mean, it's playing a little saxophone down there.
It is, but that could totally be like feet too.
That's a scary looking picture, whatever.
Yeah. Is all the jerky in China like feet?
I don't know. I don't know, but it was really good. Like, it had a good flavor to it. It really
Yeah,
did.
it's just a mind over matter thing.
Yeah. So, wow, that was a really cool box.
That is so awesome. That's really, really cool.
It is really cool. So,
Yeah.
Robert, thank you so much for taking the time to send this to us, because there are some oddities here which we would have never been able to try.
No,
That,
never.
The beef jerky foot thing, playing the saxophone was awesome. That was really good. Thank you so much. And to the mysterious mystery coffee sender person, thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, for this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, this has been Fan Meal. We will do a better job of staying on top of this, but man, we have just been so busy. So busy.
All right, I think that's it. We really appreciate it all.
That's right. Guys, strength and honor. See you all around. Later.
Bye.